Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change the notifications for only one person on WhatsApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official WhatsApp application. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up your App Store, search for the WhatsApp application and install it. So once you have installed the application, open it up and log in with your phone number. You are going to go and be greeted by the main page that looks like this. So this is going to be your home page from where we can get started with accessing all the chats we need. And what we're going to do is open up the chat with the person or the group that we want to change the notifications for. So here we can go ahead and open up one of those chats right here. So by opening up, now we can go and take a look at the chat right here. And from here we can get started with opening up their settings. You want to click their name at the top of the screen. By clicking their name right here at the top of the screen is going to open up this new menu where we can go and manage the settings of the chat. And now we can get started with managing notifications. As you can see in this menu, one of the options is going to be called notifications. So here we have the notifications tab, from where guys, as you can see, once you open it up, we have now the option to go ahead and change the alert tone of our messages with this person, and we can mute the notifications if we wish to. So if you mute them, you will not be able to be notified when you get a message from this person. If you change the alert tone, you can change it to whatever sound you want to receive once you get a message. But basically this is how you can do so, only for one person. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.